Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day on Instagram, I saw a video of a guy plastic welding using a hot glue gun and some zip ties. And I thought, I have to try this for myself. So I thought, heck, why not turn the camera on and record it and let you guys see this as well. And I just happen to have a heat gun and some zip ties. And also I have this garbage can that I've fixed with some duct tape and tuck tape and stuff. It's got some big cracks down it, but on the bottom there is a big crack. So I'm going to try to repair that, and we'll see if this works. In the video, it looks like they just shoved this thing full of zip ties. I don't know how many I'm going to need. I got 4 in there now. And I'm just snipping the ends off because these things are bent, and I feel like that's just gonna, I guess I could bend them straight, but whatever, we'll just cut them off. So that's 5. There's still some hot glue in there. We're pushing that out. I'm about to give up on this. It could be that my hot glue gun doesn't get hot enough. All right, I'm gonna call that busted. It did not work. It just covered everything with hot glue that was in there, but I can see that the tips just aren't melted at all. They are completely untouched. So, I mean, it could be that the hot glue gun I have doesn't get hot enough to start melting it. I did play around with a propane torch and melting it, and with this I could get to, to do something, but that's not gonna work. So I actually happen to have a plastic welding kit, so I'm gonna try that using the zip ties to melt it in and weld that back together. So this here is what a plastic welder looks like. It's just essentially is a soldering iron that has a tip in it that has a little flat surface for helping you melt the plastic together. And I'm gonna be using some wire mesh here. It's stainless steel. And I'm going to melt that into the plastic first, and then we'll cover it up with some zip ties. It's probably not good for the scissors, but it works. I think 2 strips would be enough. Okay, let's try this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the plastic is oozing up. As you get it hot, it oozes right up. I'm going to tack it down here too now. This metal is actually getting really hot to hold. Come on. Okay, now that we have that done, and it's not pretty, now we're going to melt some zip ties into it. We'll just start. Oh, this looks like a dog's breakfast. Now my plastic welder kit, they sent this stuff here along. It's a different type of plastic. I'm going to try it instead because the zip ties did not seem to be working very well. I also got some black sent with. I'm going to try this as well. I'm not sure if it's a different type of plastic or not, but and then just for fun, I'm going to try using a torch and a zip tie. Oh, I'm starting to burn my pail. Oh, this is just not going well. Oh, look at that. I think I got her. And we got a crack here too. The hot glue gun does not work. I had better luck with my plastic welder, and obviously I have some practice I gotta do with this. It does not look pretty, but it's gonna work. And the inside of it looks nice. Now I experimented, as you've seen, with the torch, just melting a zip tie into it, and that seemed to be pretty cool. Seemed to work okay. I got my best line right there, and it seems to have held. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and yeah, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.